Hello everyone. Today, we are going to look at some of the most unusual jobs in the world in 2024. The world is wide, and you can pursue your dreams through various careers. Are you bored with your routine job? Do you want to do something special, something beyond the ordinary? So, why not try exploring some unusual careers? Unleash your potential. How to prepare for an unusual job. Unconventional occupations require special qualities and capabilities that are different from those of regular occupations. We must continuously acquire knowledge and skills in new fields. We need to break out of the box and create new ideas. You must have excellent communication skills to communicate and collaborate smoothly with a variety of people. If you don't have passion for what you do, it's hard to be successful. Now, let's set off to find the knowledge right to know. Description of the food educator. As an educator for healthy eating habits, I go beyond simply preparing food to teach the history, culture, and health benefits of food. It provides information on balanced diet, nutrient intake, food safety, etc., and helps form healthy eating habits. We introduce food and food culture from various cultures and provide opportunities to understand culture through food. We teach a variety of cooking techniques and recipes, and provide hands-on cooking experience. We provide consulting on menu composition, menu development, marketing, etc., to food companies and restaurants. We share food-related information and inspire people through cookbooks, blogs, and YouTube channels. You must have general knowledge about food, including ingredients, recipes, and nutrition. You must be able to effectively convey information about food to a variety of people. Must be able to develop new recipes and plan original food education programs. Ability to plan and operate educational programs is required. You can build professional knowledge by majoring in related departments such as food and nutrition, culinary science, and hotel management. You can be recognized for your expertise by obtaining related certifications, such as a chef's license or a baker's license. You can develop the capabilities you need in the field by gaining practical experience in restaurants, food companies, etc. You can create your own content through blogs, YouTube, etc., and promote yourself by sharing it with people. Food educator go beyond simply teaching cooking, and provide people with joy and health through food. By combining your passion for food with knowledge and experience in various fields, you will be able to grow into your own unique food educator. Description of a scent consultant. An expert who designs and suggests scents that suit various spaces or products. Because people feel different emotions and recall memories depending on specific scents, scent consultants utilize these psychological effects to help create the atmosphere of a space or build a brand image. We are active in a variety of places, including hotels and stores, and design scents that stimulate customers' emotions, suggest customized scents, and install scent systems. We establish a marketing strategy using scent, select a scent that matches the brand image, and suggest ways to promote product sales. Based on aromatherapy, we recommend scents that suit an individual's psychological state and provide psychological treatment using scent. You need to understand the characteristics and combinations of various fragrances and the psychological effects scents have on people. We need to develop a unique scent that fits the characteristics of the space or product and plan a new scent marketing strategy. You must be able to accurately understand the client's needs and effectively explain the scent you propose. We need to understand the trends of the times and consumer needs to suggest scents that fit the trend. You can build professional knowledge by majoring in related departments such as cosmetics, food and nutrition, and design. While gaining practical experience at a fragrance company, you can encounter various fragrances and learn about the fragrance development process. You must prove your capabilities by preparing a portfolio containing the scents you have developed and the spaces you have designed. It is an attractive job that moves people's emotions and breathes life into spaces through invisible scents. By combining your passion for scent with knowledge and experience in various fields, you will be able to grow into your own unique scent consultant. Description of game tester. This is a person who plays a newly developed game first and plays an important role in finding problems or errors that exist in the game. It can be said that he is like a gatekeeper guarding the final gate in the game development process. We find and report various bugs such as errors that occur during gameplay, garbled text, and sudden game freezes. We review whether the balance of in-game items, characters, difficulty, etc., is appropriate, and suggest adjustments if necessary. We evaluate the fun, immersion, and feel of the game and suggest improvements. You must enjoy a variety of genres of games and have a good understanding of game structure and systems. It requires meticulousness and concentration to detect even the smallest errors. You must be able to analyze the causes of discovered problems and suggest solutions. To communicate effectively with the development team, you must be able to explain the problem clearly and concisely. You can have fun playing games that haven't been released yet. You can contribute to improving the game through any bugs or improvements you discover. You can experience new things by playing games of various genres. playing the same game multiple times and finding bugs can be repetitive. If you have a lot of problems with your game, it can be stressful. Working hours may be flexible depending on your game development schedule. Game tester is an attractive job for those who love games. But it is also a job that requires meticulousness and patience. If you are interested in game development, you can start as a game tester. It's also a good idea to try your hand at the gaming industry. Description of a color consultant. We are experts who analyze each individual's unique color characteristics and find the color that best suits them. Just like a stylist who finds the right clothes for an individual, it helps maximize one's charm and improve one's image through one's unique color. By analyzing a person's skin tone, hair color, eye color, etc., it determines which season they belong to: spring, summer, fall, or winter. Based on the diagnosis results, we recommend the color that best suits you, and provide advice on how to apply it to various fields such as fashion, beauty, and interior design. It analyzes personal images and helps create more attractive images using color. It teaches basic knowledge and principles of color and how to use color. An in-depth understanding of color theory is required, including the psychological effects of color, color harmony, and the meaning of color. You need an excellent sense to combine various colors and find the color that suits you personally. Excellent communication skills are required to accurately understand the client's personality and needs and provide customized consulting. You can build professional knowledge by majoring in related departments such as fashion design, visual design, and color studies. You can be recognized for your expertise by acquiring related certifications, such as personal color consultant certification. You can gain practical experience through a part-time internship at a color-related company. You must prove your capabilities by preparing a portfolio containing the results of your color diagnosis and examples of color combinations. Beyond simply analyzing color, it plays an important role in maximizing an individual's charm and increasing confidence. By combining your passion for color with knowledge and experience in various fields, you will be able to grow into your own unique color consultant. Description of a pet sitter. A person who takes care of pets on their behalf when their guardian is away from home. Just like a babysitter, we help pets stay healthy and happy, even when left alone, through a variety of activities. Exercise by walking or playing with your pet. Feed the child at a set time and change the clean water. Maintain hygiene, such as cleaning up feces and combing fur. Check the health of your pet and notify the guardian if there is any abnormality. Clean and organize the space your pet uses. Cases in which a pet sitter is needed are when you are away from home for a long period of time, when you are away from home due to unexpected circumstances, when you want to improve social skills through interaction with other animals, and when special care is needed, such as for elderly dogs or sick animals. You need to make sure they have experience caring for a variety of dog breeds and the ability to respond to emergency situations. You need to make sure that you are someone who values your pet and can take care of it responsibly. You need to make sure that the person loves pets and can truly care for them. It's a good idea to make sure you're insured, just in case. You should meet in advance and talk thoroughly about your pet's personality, habits, health, etc., and resolve any questions you may have. It is a good idea to write a contract that clearly states the details of the pet sitting service and have both parties sign it. It's a good idea to have an emergency contact number in case you can't reach your pet sitter. Using a pet sitter gives you peace of mind while your pet is home alone. Choose a trustworthy pet sitter and give your pet the gift of happy times. Description of a sleep consultant. A sleep consultant is an expert who solves sleep problems and creates healthy sleeping habits, and his importance is increasing as the problem of insomnia among modern people becomes more serious. In modern society, as the number of people suffering from sleep disorders, including insomnia, increases, the role of sleep consultants becomes more important. We provide education on personal sleep habits, proper sleep habits, how to create a sleep environment, and stress management. We establish a customized sleep plan tailored to your individual characteristics and provide ongoing management to achieve your goals. We recommend sleep products suitable for each individual, including pillows, mattresses, and sleep aids. If necessary, we request tests to diagnose sleep disorders and provide support for connection with specialists. An in-depth understanding of the physiological and psychological functions of sleep is needed. You must be able to listen to the client's difficulties, empathize with them, and provide effective counseling. We must be able to analyze the causes of various sleep problems and suggest customized solutions. You can build professional knowledge by majoring in related fields such as psychology, physiology, and exercise science. You can be recognized for your expertise by obtaining related certifications, such as sleep consultant certification and coaching certification. By gaining practical experience at sleep clinics, yoga studios, etc., you can experience encountering and solving various sleep problems. You can provide differentiated services by researching various sleep-related data and developing your own know-how. Beyond simply helping you sleep well, it plays an important role in contributing to improving an individual's health and quality of life. As interest in sleep grows, the demand for sleep consultants continues to grow. Description of storyteller. People who create and deliver various stories work in a variety of fields, from reading fairy tales to children to creating corporate stories. This is a person who does not simply list facts, but conveys a story vividly to the audience, and elicits empathy through interesting composition and emotional expression. We create new stories using the created stories in various ways, such as through speech, writing, or pictures. Through stories, we help people express their emotions, heal wounds, and find psychological stability. Introduce products or services in a story format to attract consumers' attention and encourage purchases. You need a rich imagination to create original stories and look at the world from different perspectives. You need the ability to use a variety of expression techniques to bring a story to life. You need the ability to understand and sympathize with your audience and deliver a story that suits them. By reading books of various genres, you learn storytelling techniques and enrich your vocabulary. By writing consistently, you will improve your expressive skills and create your own style. Learn storytelling techniques from professional instructors and gain practical experience. Through various encounters and experiences through travel, we discover story material and expand our understanding of life. Writers who write children's stories, writers who write novels, writers who write poetry, people who share their stories or knowledge through lectures, people who sell products or services by packaging them as stories, and people who share a company's vision and values through stories. Storytellers go beyond simply telling stories and have the power to move people's hearts and change the world. Description of an influencer. As an influential person in a specific field, he or she communicates with fans through SNS and engages in various activities such as product promotion and marketing. It refers to a person who exerts influence on many people, based on high interest and expertise in a specific field. They are active on social media and use their content to promote specific products, brands, or lifestyles and to influence other people's decisions or actions. Build trust through communication with followers and exert influence with authentic content. We provide professional information based on in-depth knowledge and experience in a specific field. You can quickly identify new trends and reflect them in your content to attract the attention of your followers. Influencer is a marketing method that works with companies to promote products or services. It has the advantage of being able to reach consumers more effectively than traditional advertising methods. Based on high reliability, it can directly influence consumers' purchasing decisions. Customized marketing is possible for your target customer base. Effective promotion is possible at a relatively low cost. The brand image can depend on the influencer's personal image. Competition in the influencer market is fierce, so selecting an effective influencer can be difficult. You need to create content that differentiates you from others by appealing to your unique personality and charm. You need to consistently produce quality content and communicate with your followers. Content must be created in line with changing trends. You need to use various platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok to get exposure to more people. They are not just celebrities, but people who can bring positive change to society through their influence. Description of a drone pilot. An expert who remotely controls an unmanned aerial vehicle drone from the ground. Like a pilot who flies an airplane, the drone pilot operates and manages the entire process of the drone, including takeoff, flight, and landing. Control the drone from a ground control station to perform your mission. Set a flight path appropriate for the mission and establish a flight plan with safety in mind. Inspect and maintain drone-related equipment, cameras, sensors, etc. Useful information is obtained by analyzing captured video or data. Obtaining a license to operate a drone is required. A spatial sense is required to accurately determine the location and movement of the drone in three-dimensional space. Drone operation is a task that requires a high degree of concentration. You need to be able to quickly respond to and resolve problem situations that arise during flight. Since drones are closely related to IT technology, basic IT knowledge is required. Gain experience by operating drones in various fields. As the drone industry is growing rapidly, the demand for drone pilots is also increasing. As drones are used in various fields such as agriculture, construction, filming, and delivery, the role of drone pilots is becoming more important. It is one of the key occupations leading the era of the Fourth Industrial Revolution. You can be recognized for your expertise and receive a high salary. Since you often work outdoors, you can enjoy a free work environment. Drone operation is a task that requires careful attention to safety. Operating a drone for a long time consumes a lot of stamina. Drone laws are subject to constant change. Although it is a future-oriented job, it requires responsibility and professional knowledge about safety. Description of a personal trainer. A person who guides individuals through exercise to improve their physical strength. Demand is steadily increasing as interest in health increases. We are experts who provide one-to-one customized exercise programs, correct exercise posture, and provide motivation to help customers achieve their health and fitness goals. Working in a gym or studio, we design and instruct optimal exercise programs, taking into account the customer's fitness level, health status, and goals. Accurately assess your client's fitness level, flexibility, strength, etc. Instructs correct exercise posture and prevents injuries that may occur during exercise. We provide nutritional counseling to manage a healthy diet. An in-depth understanding of the effects of exercise on the human body is required. An effective exercise program must be designed based on an understanding of the function and role of muscles. It requires the ability to prescribe exercise that is appropriate for the client's condition. We need to build trust and motivate customers through smooth communication. Leadership is needed to lead customers and help them achieve their goals. You will gain specialized knowledge by majoring in related departments such as physical education or sports science. Obtain relevant certifications such as personal trainer certification and exercise prescription certification. By continuously learning new exercise methods and training techniques, you can earn high income depending on your expertise and experience. You can develop your social skills by meeting a variety of people. You can maintain and manage your health through exercise. I expend a lot of energy working out with my clients. You may have irregular working hours because you must work according to your customers' schedules. Beyond simply teaching exercise, they play an important role in contributing to improving the health and quality of life of customers. Description of a virtual reality content creator. A person who plans and produces various content used in a virtual reality VR environment. Just as a film director creates a movie, VR content creators create virtual worlds and provide immersive experiences to users. Come up with new VR content ideas and create storyboards. We use 3D models to build a virtual reality space and implement functions that allow users to interact. Increase immersion by creating sound effects and music that match VR content. Distribute the created content to various VR platforms Oculus, Steam VR, etc. The ability to create 3D models and create animations using 3D modeling programs Maya, Blender, etc. is required. Programming skills are required to develop VR content using game engines such as Unity and Unreal Engine. Directing skills are required to create an interesting story and increase user immersion. Creativity is needed to plan new VR content and implement original ideas. Problem-solving skills are required to resolve various issues that arise during the development process. Build professional knowledge by advancing to related departments such as game development, computer graphics, and video editing. Create a portfolio by collecting the VR content you have created and use it for employment or freelance activities. As VR technology develops rapidly, demand for VR content is rapidly increasing. As VR content is used in various fields such as games, a virtual reality content creator is a future-oriented, exciting job that creates new virtual worlds based on creativity and technology. Description of YouTuber. This refers to a person who uploads his or her videos to the video sharing platform YouTube and communicates with the public. It is a job that runs a YouTube channel, produces various content, and generates profits. It is one of the most popular jobs in the era of one-person media. You can plan and produce videos on a variety of topics and create content in various fields, such as games, beauty, food, travel, and education. Upload the completed video to your YouTube channel and communicate with subscribers. We generate revenue in a variety of ways, including advertising revenue, membership, and merchandise sales. You need the ability to consistently come up with original and interesting video ideas, ability to shoot and edit video using cameras, lights, microphones, etc. It takes patience to consistently create and upload engaging content. You need the ability to actively communicate with subscribers and form a community. A YouTuber who creates fun gameplay, challenge, and comedy videos. A YouTuber who shares beauty-related information such as makeup, hairstyles, and skincare. A YouTuber who creates food-related content such as cooking recipes and mukbangs. A YouTuber who shares experiences while traveling. YouTubers who deliver learning content in an easy and fun way. You can freely create content in your favorite field. Successful YouTubers can earn a high income. You can create a community by communicating with fans from all over the world. You can showcase your talents and personality to the world. Video production, editing, uploading, etc. Being a YouTuber is more than just a hobby, it has become a profession. Anyone can become a YouTuber, but becoming a successful YouTuber requires consistent effort and passion. This information is based on 3 research reports published by Employment Information, using up-to-date data from trusted sources. We have introduced 12 unique occupations that can be found all over the world. The world is constantly changing, and new jobs are being created. An unusual job is more than just a new experience. It can be a great opportunity to unleash your potential and contribute to society. Subscriptions, likes, and comments are of great help to us. See you in the next video. Thank you.